In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Zoom on your Mac. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. To start, the first thing you want to do is access the Zoom Download Center. You can easily find this by opening your web browser and searching for Zoom Download Center. Once you're there, you'll see a section specifically labeled Zoom Workplace for Mac. Here you have two options. Click on Download for Apple Silicon if your Mac has an M1, M2, or newer chip, or Download for Intel if your Mac uses an Intel processor. When you click on the appropriate download link, the Zoom installer, which is named Zoomus Installer Full.pg for macOS, will automatically start downloading to your device. If for some reason you notice that the download doesn't start right away, don't worry, just navigate to your Downloads folder and double-click on the Zoom installer file to kick off the installation process manually. Now, as you begin the installation, you might see a prompt that says something like, "Installer would like to access files in your Downloads folder." Go ahead and click OK to allow it access. Once the installer opens, you'll see a window guiding you through the setup. The first thing you need to do is click Continue to move forward. Next, you'll be asked to choose the destination for the installation. Here, you will typically have two options. You can either install Zoom for all users of this computer, or just for yourself. If you choose to install it for everyone, keep in mind that you'll need to enter some administrator credentials. If you opt to install it only for yourself, this step is a lot simpler. If you decide that you want to change the destination for the installation, you can click on Change Install Location to specify a different folder, although usually the default setting is perfectly fine. Once you've made your choices, go ahead and click Install. If you chose to install it for all users, this is where you'll need to type in the administrator username and password for your Mac. Then click Install Software to proceed with the installation. You'll see a progress bar as Zoom installs on your Mac. This may take a moment, but just sit back and let it do its thing. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation window that tells you everything went smoothly. At that point, you can click Close. Congratulations! You've just installed Zoom on your Mac. From here on out, you can easily launch the application, sign in with your account, or create one if you haven't done so yet. Thank you for watching this video on how to install Zoom on your Mac. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing